In the heart of an economic crisis, a visionary named Satoshi Nakamoto emerged, seeking to challenge the established order. The year was 2008, and the world was still reeling from the global financial crisis. The traditional banking system, once a symbol of stability, had crumbled under the weight of greed and mismanagement. People lost faith in the system, and a desperate need for a new, secure, and decentralized method of exchange arose. Nakamoto, concealed behind a pseudonym, envisioned a digital currency that would transcend borders, eliminate intermediaries, and restore trust in the financial system. He called it Bitcoin. In October, Nakamoto released a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The document outlined a revolutionary system based on cryptography, a technology that could ensure secure and verifiable transactions. The white paper was a call to action. Nakamoto had laid the groundwork for a digital currency that would be controlled by its users, not by a central authority. The first block of this new currency, known as the Genesis block, was mined on January 3, 2009. The Genesis block contained a cryptic message, the Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks, a sarcastic nod to the ongoing economic crisis and the bailouts that had become synonymous with it. As miners began to verify and record transactions, the Bitcoin network grew. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin meant that it was not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it was governed by a complex algorithm that ensured fairness and transparency. The first transaction, made on January 12, 2009, was between Nakamoto and a programmer named Hal Finney. Finney, a pioneer in cryptography, responded to Nakamoto's call for testing and received 10 Bitcoin, worth virtually nothing at the time. The birth of Bitcoin marked a significant turning point in the history of money. It was not just a new form of currency, it was a democratic revolution in finance. The world had entered a new era, one where digital currency would become an integral part of the global economy. Bitcoin's journey was just beginning, and it would face numerous challenges and controversies. But the Genesis block stood as a testament to Nakamoto's vision and the power of decentralized finance. The future of money was no longer in the hands of banks and governments, but in the hands of the people.